Hey, 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 it's the Scentsy Lady of East Texas. I'm so excited to share July's warmer and fragrance with you. The warmer is so cute, I think I'm going to hold off and just share the scent with you first. The scent is Strawberry Swirl. It's a beautiful pink color. Really pretty pink, pretty packaging. I'm just still so in awe with the packaging. I love the butterflies and I just love it. But y'all, this scent, Strawberry Swirl, it is literally strawberry and vanilla. It is amazing. Like the epitome of summer. You think of strawberry shortcake, you think of strawberry ice cream. Oh wait, do you think of ice cream? Well, it's a good thing because our warmer is an ice cream cone. Check it out, y'all. This is so cute. Check out the detail in the cone. It is an element warmer, so there is no light bulb. So you just put your wax in here, and then when you get ready to switch it out, you just sop it up with a tissue. Your little light back here lets you know that it's on, and then it's got the cord. But here is the top, and it's got a lot of holes in it, so your scent throw is going to be spectacular. But it's got the sprinkles. I mean, that is just like the perfect summer treat. So adorable. It is available on July 1st. It is literally called Ice Cream Cone. And again, the scent is Strawberry Swirl. Everything will be 10% off in July. The warmer will be $31.50 US. Bars are also 10% off at $4.50. It's available in scent circles and room sprays, all at 10% off. So contact me now to get on my pre-order list or go to my website on July 1st and get yours, www.autumnh.scentsy.us. Y'all have a great one.